Alright, hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to replace a shift knob in a 2005 through 2009 Ford Mustang GT. So I hate this shift knob. I think it's stupid. I don't like the way it feels. I just don't like it. So I ordered a shift knob from American Muscle. I ordered the white. It was just 20 bucks, 5-speed shift knob. So it comes like this in the package, and then it also comes with the shift boot retainer. Goes right here. So this is my first time doing this, so I have no clue what I'm doing. So here goes nothing. Okay, so from the video, we gotta unscrew this. Let me try to flip this. Alright, so got that up. So if you just pull it, it comes up like this. Now I gotta try to figure out how to get this boot off. Let me see here. Okay, so if you just pull this, it pops right out. There's just a groove in the bottom of the shift knob. See the grooves, and then it fits in the boot. So now I'm going to get the shift retainer ring. So you want to thread it on first. Okay, so I got that on. And then I guess you could hit it with some Loctite. I'm just going to see how it goes like this. And there we go. Oh, okay, so like what you do is, this has grooves. And then you would adjust it up or down depending on how you would like it. So I like it. Feels good. So yeah, that's how you install a shifter on a S197 2005 through 2009 Mustang. Hope this helps. Thanks.